Okay, quick shop status. BSA will be picked up next Monday, so it's here for a few more days. Norton is still waiting for seat. We did get a confirmation that the seat has been shipped. We'll see you when it gets here. This silver Norton is finished, ready to go, test ridden, ready to be picked up. The 441 Victor is waiting on the new oil seal for the points compartment. And this Triumph is waiting on the oil seal and front sprocket for the primary, the oil seal for the tranny main shaft. Okay, that's the important part. And the new front sprocket in the chain. So those parts are on order. At this point in time, the yellow bike is back on the lift, and I'm going to try to figure out what it is to do about the center stand. I'm not sure what the request is. It was to check out the center stand. So starting tomorrow, I'll jack it up in the air and see if I can see something that can be done with the center stand and what the problem might be. In the meantime, it's still waiting on the new electronic speedometer, which theoretically is going to be shipped, and we just don't know when. And when it gets here, we will put it in, and by that time, hopefully have satisfied whatever the deal is with this center stand. Well, that's interesting. What is that foot doing up like that? I guess they're using it as a stop. How interesting. Okay, going to have to look into that and see, talk to the client and find out exactly what he wants done with the center stand. It looks to function normally. Maybe some extension pads on the corners, I don't know. We'll find out and see what we can see. Anyway, that's the shop status as of today. I think I'm going to just call it an early day. Let's see, what time is it? I can't even make this thing zoom. Huh. Well, then we'll go to the backup clock. It's 12:15. All right. Sometimes this will zoom, sometimes it won't. Isn't that interesting? All has to do with my fingers. There now, well, I wet my fingertips. Okay, so that's the shop. Got one more bike in here than I like, and got two bikes ready to be picked up. There we go.